Illustration number 8. Solve the illustration number 7. If the firm maintains furniture disposal account prepared along with the furniture account and provision for depreciation and furniture account. Okay, the provision for depreciation and furniture account. So if we have the disposal account, furniture disposal account, how the illustration will be? Let's see here. Small adjustments in the same illustration. See, when it is being a asset disposal account, asset account will appear at its own original value, and provision for depreciation where we have the accumulated depreciation in it. If the asset is sold, the sold assets original value will be transferable to the asset disposal account. Asset disposal account. Similarly, accumulated depreciation on the asset disposal will also be transferable to the asset disposal account, and then the sales is now passed on in this account. As per the traditional model, this is all about sales, no? This is nothing but summation of this is nothing but original value. In provision for depreciation, usually we will transfer that to the furniture account. No. Here, this will be transferable to, this is nothing but accumulated depreciation on the asset sold. Transferable to asset disposal account. And this original value will also be transferable to asset disposal account. And then the sale is routed through the asset disposal account. That's all. Rest of the things are the same. As usual, normally how you prepare the furniture and provision for depreciation, you just follow the same way. The depreciation, accumulated depreciation on asset sold is transferable from the provision for depreciation account debit to asset disposal account. And then the original value of the asset sold is transferable from the furniture account, that asset account, to asset disposal account. And in asset disposal account, normal sale, like you can pass the entry. Okay, let's see here. Asset account of furniture here, right? Furniture account, and then provision for depreciation account, provision for depreciation, and then asset disposal account. Asset disposal account. The opening balance of furniture being to balance 50,000 rupees, and new purchases being 25,000. And in furniture's credit side, I just copy here. This one is copied, that's all. So I skip the date here. And this entire value is now grouped, and that value will be transferable to the asset disposal account. So for that, the entry being asset disposal account. Original value of the asset disposed here being 20. And then the balance carried on is as usual 55,000. It got closed. 75,000. Okay. And in provision for depreciation, we will start with opening balance. Balance brought down 22,000 rupees. I just copy from here. There will not be any change. And by the year end, we again create the depreciation for the leftover assets, which is 4,250. Summation of these two. And the accumulated depreciation of the asset sold is transferable from the provision for depreciation to asset disposal account. For that, here to asset disposal. Asset disposal. This value being 8,000. I transferred that to asset disposal account. So by provision for depreciation, the value being 8,000. If I tally this, 26,250, you will get the balance carried on here. This value being 18,250. This asset is also transferred here, right? So to furniture account. This value being 20. So 20,000 Original cost valued furniture sold for some value. For this, we have accumulated depreciation to the extent of 8,000 rupees. Now, at what rate it is sold? The rate of sale here being 5,000 rupees. As usual, bank 5,000. And because of the sale, we faced a loss. Loss on sale 7,000 rupees. If I tally, then automatically it gets closed, right? So, in asset disposal account, this entire block will be automatically transferable to the asset disposal account. This breakup will be available only in asset disposal account. This breakup is available in asset disposal account. That's all. So, routed through asset disposal account. The purpose of preparing the asset disposal account is to know more detailed information regarding the asset disposed. Right. Come on, finish up copying this.